window.
What's going on, YouTube? And today's the day we will be we're going to be dropping the tranny from our 350Z so we can do the clutch. I don't really want to start it so you guys can hear what's going on now, but pretty much the car's clutch went out really bad. It started making a whining noise, and then trying to put it in gear, it started clunking a little bit, so we believe that the clutch itself has destroyed itself somehow, and pressure plate somehow is messed up as well. But we have a clutch on the way, and we might as well go ahead and start dropping this transmission, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. And the first thing we're gonna have to do is pretty much just take off the exhaust so we can have that out the way. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, get a like in and enjoy. All right, after much debate of how we're gonna jack the car up, for now we're gonna jack it up where the car is up all the way, including the rear. But we're just gonna be trying to take off the white pipe as of right now. So we have this area pretty much put up. Nick's about to go buy a roller so we can get under here easily, or easier. I might as well go in there and check what we got going on. But oh man, brightness, I need some ISO, man. I can see. Here goes the trans, the little trans. What's that? I see something leaking. What's that? What's this? Oh yeah, PB blaster. I was gonna scare myself. But got some wiring to take out, that brace there to take out, drivetrain to take out.
We've had him for a while.
We're gonna go ahead and start by taking off this white pipe. Let's see how that goes. We PB blasted a couple days ago. Hopefully it comes off. I'm thinking about getting a new white pipe, like a Tomcbumpz, or no, not the Tomcbumpz, but Z1s or Motordyne. So if anybody got one for sale, hit me up. Yeah, let's get started with that. I just took it, I think.
Does that fit?
Where did I put it? I have to take this off first.
Not here, hold up.
Yay, one piece. I can't see shit. Yeah.
So why don't you take the whole exhaust off?
I mean, we can. There we go. One piece gone.
You boasted.
Told me disconnected, man. Alright, next step. Where am I? Sprayed these a while ago. Ouch. Wow. Well, let's for one try to at least put it up like this. Alright, so got the white pipe off. Wasn't really that hard. Definitely gonna need some new gaskets though. Those look horrible. That's crap. But
I'll put it on.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll put it on manual purpose.
So yeah, they look really bad. For the most part, it's off though. Next, we're just gonna I don't know. What are we doing next?
Tell me.
Should we take it off?
Should we? That's the question. Do we need to?
It depends how far you're trying to go today.
Take your drive shaft off. Is it in the way?
Be back. Yeah, exactly. I'll be back. Alright, guys, the car is down for right now. We're about to go ahead and do the smaller stuff on the other cars. because this is gonna be a way bigger job. So first we're gonna work on clear up. First we're gonna work on, there we go. First we're gonna work on Asa and Yusuf's G over here. And I wish this camera would really focus, this is making me mad. But yeah, that's what we're about to do first. Putting a white pipe on. I think he's leaching out. And after we put on this white pipe, we're gonna put on his Z1 exhaust. Do a quick dose. His Z1 exhaust. So yeah. What is this on the inside? What is this on the inside? Oh, that's like step down there already. I got my footprints. Whoa. It's cracked already?
That's just what.
Nah.
Because the one side hung so low, you can see it on the car. Alright, I'm gonna pull my car up.
Right here or where?
Should do it right there.
Okay, I'll do it right here.
Alright. Hey, so Randy, get your Tundra!
We really can.
Got a butterfly scratch. Okay, magnificent, boy. Hey, get off his car. We don't do all that. Fly away. I ain't say get on my car. Well, it's moving a little bit forward. Bags. Call bags. Nah, just kidding. Just kidding. What we doing today, Dad? So, oh no, my brightness. Is it recording? Yeah, hold on. Let me get my. Let me get this thing right there. No, not there. What we doing today, Dad?
You got extensions on here too.
Yeah, we'll keep it low focus. Oh, this camera does not focus. Okay, there we go.
You want me to take off those bolts up there for you?
I only have like one set of
What is it, 17 and 14?
yeah, 14 and
Oh,
17.
snap. This is what it looks like under here?
Oh, those are 19 and 17. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so basically, I'm gonna start from the back, moving forward. I'm gonna take off these back mufflers. There's two of them. It's just a 14 nut and a 17 head bolt. So yeah, that's about it. And then we'll move forward, take the H pipe off, and then keep the extensions on. And we'll get back with y'all when we do that.
Yours just got pulled off, damn it. This shit easy.
Yep.
And you got the new one, the new bolts.
This shit hot.
Oh, that's cold, because I ain't throwing that kind of it.
There's a ground right here.
Oh yeah, I had to take. Mine's not even on there. What is the ground used for though? I forget.
I think that's just like for back here. I think it's just for, I don't know, honestly. I think it's
Is it for sound? I don't think
no, I think it's for the fuel pump. No, it's not. It's just the ground, bro. I don't know why. I think it's good to have more ground. Like they actually sell like ground kits for cars. Like it just adds like a bunch more ground. I don't know why, what grounds do exactly.
Yeah.
But I think it just like distributes power better. Like you'll get like a steady 12 volt everywhere or something like that. Yeah.
Well, I think mine. I don't even think mine is dangling. This is there. You gonna be able to force it out that way? I need to use.
Why do you have a ground on it?
They all have grounds. Busted? Bro, I know that's not ranch on a freaking corn dog.
This just
ranch on the corn
Why is there ranch on your corn dog?
I just painted this.
What's wrong with it?
Oh, bro, that's my Instagram.
Thumbs up if you like ranch on your corn dog.
You just crazy.
It's good. It's pretty good.
My bushing still.
It's hot.
Let's see who gets that fill up first.
I'm all over here.
See if that won't work. Look at my skateboard, guys. You
passenger side. I don't see shit.
Phillips.
Might work. That's why I need to invest in. I'm good. Oh fuck.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's Chimma.
That's Chimma.
That sounded exactly like Chimma.
That's Chimma.
Oh my god, that shit hurt.
Ouch.
It sounded exactly.
Here goes the whole exhaust. Exhaust actually for sale. 85 bucks. Well, everybody up.
Everybody's up now.
Everybody's up. We're done here. Alright. And in here, now I'm putting on the white pipe. You can't tell. Some head resting. Come on.
You got both sides in?
Oh, this shit. Don't put that water on.
Oh. Nissan Senpai.
My forearms will be big as hell after this. You got the back?
Yeah, he did. He painted it.
Oh.
Fitment.
Hold on, I need to check.
Is it because of fitment? Alright, let's try this again. Part 2. Attempt number 2.
You gotta twist it. Yeah, I'm gonna twist it a little bit and then you know what you were doing.
Alright, ow. It wasn't that lot of buck off.
You said this was for the silencer?
It's on now.
It has the nut on there?
We're going to catch a couple clips of it in a few seconds.
Yeah, but you just.
And see what we do. It's probably been the sun, golly. Anyways, probably been like a couple of, I wish I could get a good angle. Probably been like a couple of hours since we've been working on the cars. We actually didn't really get to the Z other than removing the Y pipe, but we did remove 4 transmission bolts on the top. So all that's left is 4 more on the bottom, and then we'll be able to get to dropping the drive shaft and all the remaining things and the transmission mount, so that we're able to our clutch and change our throwout bearing, which is more than likely what went bad on the car. And yeah, But we're gonna call it a day today. Pretty tired and we're hungry, and I also have some homework to do. So maybe I'm gonna end the clip short here, or maybe when we get to seasons. But I do end it here. Thank you guys for watching. There'll be some more videos up, and yeah, peace.
Happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and